What is up, everyone? It's Andrew Selden back with another video. You're watching Crypto Watch, and today we're just going to do a quick market overview, and I'm actually going to talk about a trade setup that I have. The latter half of this video I actually recorded before taking this because the first part of the video my mic wasn't even on. I wasn't recording my voice, so you couldn't hear anything I said. But you'll see how my trade setup was and how it hit and took profit. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Bitcoin currently at $38,000. It hit almost 40K and then bounced off, rejected it pretty hard, dropped almost $2,000, but we're still up. XRP up to almost 63 cents, and it actually did hit 63 cents earlier. Like earlier whenever I was recording the latter half of this video that you'll see in a bit. But anyways, let me show you guys a really awesome statistic that I saw. Let's go ahead and look on the weekly chart. And for those of you that don't know how to read charts yet, whenever you change time frames, each one of these little candles, as they're called, is worth whatever your time frame is. It could be, 1 minute to an hour, 4 hours, a day, a week, etc. But let me show you this awesome statistic I found. And if you look right there, it rejected right off $40,000. Psychological price point, lots of sells there. But anyways, we are currently in the middle, or currently beginning our first profitable week since that massive down correction. Since we were up above 50, like 55, almost 60K, this is the first green week that we're seeing since that massive down run. And this is a great indicator that we are still in the bull run. This next week is going to be very profitable. If we can close this week above this 23.6% line on our fib retracement, we are going to be sitting pretty. And then eventually, once we get into our golden snipe zone, right around 50K, we are mooning. We are mooning up to that 100K price prediction that I have set. 100K, 100% feasible. And if you're just buying and not really looking to trade, any buy for crypto for Bitcoin under $50,000, I think it's a steal, because there's absolutely 0% chance it doesn't hit at least 65K within the near future. But we're doing amazing. We are smashing expectations right now for, considering we're in a massive downtrend. To see this giant spike up after retesting that 28,000 price point, well, a little more than 28,000, sorry, but after retesting there, to just shoot up to the upside and hit almost $40,000 today has been very great for cryptocurrency. But anyways, let's go on and move into XRP. As you'll see later in the video, I was in a trade setup, and I will give you the numbers for it right now. But I'm just going to show you what I saw and walk you through like how I look at something and how I decide that I'm going to get in. Whoops. So if you look here, we saw a nice little retracement. Came and filled 50% of this move. If you look about halfway up this giant move up, which I was also in a trade here, if you look about 50% right around here, that's exactly where it wicks down to. Right when it did that, I was looking for a retest in order to get into a trade. It retested, and I was actually at work at the time, so it was kind of difficult for me. But I actually got into a trade right at 59.5. Caught this massive uptrend. My take profit was only 62.5, right in this ballpark, a little lower than what it's sitting at right now, which is fine. It shot through my take profit, but it was still a 20% return with my leverage. And I'm perfectly okay with missing out on that extra little bit. I had my take profit at 62.5. We murdered it, absolutely shot through it, and you can actually see it happen in the later half of this video. But yeah, like I said, market's really good, really healthy right now. I expected a retracement a little bit whenever Bitcoin hit 40K. So we could see, maybe tomorrow might not be a positive day or whatever, but do not be discouraged or anything if we do see it start to retrace. I do think that we are now officially 100% confirmed back into this massive bull run that we've been expecting to happen. 100K is still 100% in play, Ethereum 10K clearly in play, and XRP $10. I like those even numbers for my predictions: 10, 100, 10K, $10. So we're checking this out, we're looking at it. Things are super great right now. Things are very healthy. Like I said, this account, I don't know if I said it in the latter half of this video, but I started this account with only $250. Currently up over a little over 1,000. 4x'd it so far since I've been doing that. And my goal is to hit 3% every day, like you'll see in just a moment whenever the second half of this video plays. But you don't have to be a genius to do this stuff. Anyone can do it. I'm by no means a genius. I'm not smarter than probably the majority of the people watching this video. But my goal is to hopefully educate people like myself and help everyone grow, because that's the goal of cryptocurrency, is to allow people to be financially independent. So I'm going to pull up an Excel spreadsheet that I created on the 22nd just to show you the effects of making 3% every single day, just until the end of the year too. So I made this the other day on the 22nd of July just to kind of keep track of what seems like really, really small progress. If you made I started tracking this when I was about 1,200 XRP coins into this trading account. And if you make 3% every day, as you can see, my formula plays off the day prior. If you make 3% every single day, just going to the end of the year, December 31st, 2021, down here somewhere. I want to say it's 140, yeah, almost 45,000 XRP coins. Because like you saw on Bybit, I trade not for money, for coin. And just if XRP is at $1 at that time, that's $145,000. And I believe it's going to shoot through $10. It's minimum, absolute bare minimum, $10. So just goes to show what little progress can be, even if it's only 1.5% every day or 1%, whatever the case may be. As long as you are getting educated and growing every single day as an investor, as a trader, as a human, the sky's the limit for anybody, and anyone can do this stuff. So I'm just going to keep updating y'all every day, keep making little videos just to try to educate y'all. Oh my goodness, we shattered through my take profit. I had a take profit at 62.5, and we absolutely obliterated that. So things very, very bullish right now. Bitcoin, oh my goodness, almost at $40,000 right now. Almost at $40,000. Ethereum, since the beginning of this video, is up a lot. We are up almost 16% on Bitcoin right now. That is absolutely insane. Just goes to show you what the power of investing in cryptocurrency can be for you. For those of you who are new to cryptocurrency, think of the best savings account you can have. Might be anywhere between 1 to 3% APY every year. If you bought in Bitcoin 24 hours ago at 9 o'clock yesterday, you would have made 15%. If you would have had $100, you would have just made almost $16 right there within the last 24 hours. So just goes to show the power of investing. Like I said, I'm going to keep making updates, keep making videos every single day, explaining why you should invest, and obviously more in-depth things like using technical analysis, like how I knew that I wanted to enter down here, why I wanted to take profit up here. I'll explain all that for y'all. So just keep investing, keep buying, and I hope that was helpful. I'll see y'all tomorrow.